Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing obvious hardware causes so you can isolate the problem fast. First, unplug and replug the mouse or swap USB ports. If wireless, replace batteries and reseat the dongle. Once done, test on a known good surface and clean the sensor window and feet with compressed air or a lint-free swab. Dirt and static cause erratic motion. Make sure the mouse pad isn't glossy. A matte pad or plain paper helps determine whether surface reflection is the issue. Next, you address software and driver-level causes, because incorrect settings often cause jitter. Open the OS mouse settings and set pointer speed to a neutral level. Turn off enhance pointer precision to avoid unpredictable acceleration. Then, update or reinstall the mouse driver and check the manufacturer's firmware utility for DPI and polling rate adjustments. Finally, close or uninstall background apps that grab raw input. Screen recorders or virtual desktops can conflict and produce weird cursor movement, so test after each change. To finish, systematically verify whether the issue is the mouse or your system. Test the mouse on another computer. If it still acts up, the hardware is likely faulty and replacement is recommended. If it works elsewhere, reset your settings, boot into safe mode to rule out drivers or third-party conflicts, and use System Restore if the problem started after an update. One key troubleshooting tip: if jitter appears only in one app, check that app's mouse or GPU settings before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.